And today we'll be looking at SLAT 2024 100 most expected questions in analytical reasoning, and this is part 5 of the series. But before we begin, there is a CAT counseling form that is pinned in the comment section. So please feel free to fill the form so that we can get in touch with you regarding the courses and the exams. Okay, so let's look at the questions. The first question is, out of two numbers, 25% of greater number is equal to 45% of the smaller number. If the sum of the numbers is 210, then find the greater number. So you can, this question can be solved in two different ways. Okay. Since the sum is given as 210, if the greater number is 170, so the smaller number should be the remaining 40. As per the question, 25% of greater number is same as 45%. 45% would become 45 by 100 or 9 by 20 of the smaller number. As you can see, we cannot divide 170 by 4, as in when you divide 170 by 4, you are going to get in points, while the other side is not going to be in point. So option A doesn't make sense. Next, if 155 is here, so the other one is going to be 55. So 1/4 of 155 is going to be in point, right? And 9 by 20 of 55 is also going to be in point. So let's simplify this. Let's say this is 5, say if you divide, this is 4 and 11. So this results in 99 by 4, and 155 by 4 is definitely not same as 99 by 4, right? So B also doesn't make sense. Next, if we look at C, if total is 210 and 135 is here, so the remaining will be 75. So we will have 1/4 of 135 and 9 by 20 of 75. So we can get rid of the 5 here. So we get 4 here and we get 15. So 9 into 15 is 135 and divided by 4. So we can see that whatever expression or whatever the term we have on the left hand side, we have the same thing on the right hand side. So this makes sense. Another way to solve this would be 25% of greater number is equal to 45% of the smaller number, right? From here we can say greater upon smaller is equal to 45 by 25, which can be simplified and written as 9 upon 5. And greater number, that means, is going to be 9x, and smaller number is going to be 5x, right? If greater number is 9x and greater number is asked, so the number should be in the table of 9. The only option which is in the table of 9 is option C. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9, right? That's the divisibility rule of 9. Or we can further say that 9x plus 5x, that is 14x, as per the question, is given to us as 210. From here, we will get the value of x as 15. Once we get the value of x as 15, we can put it back and get the values, right? At every step, there can, the solution can be simplified. It can become smaller in time taking, or the amount of values or the amount of equations we are going to write, we can simplify. Okay, next. A car travels a distance of x kilometer at a speed of 5 by 9 meter per second and returns at a speed of 5 meter per second to the starting point. If the total time taken by the car is 1 by 6 hours, then the value of x is. So the time taken initially is x distance divided by speed. Now 5 by 9 is 5 into 9, 45 plus 5, 50 by 9. So this is the speed. Plus the same distance if it covers at 5 meter per second. We can write this as 50 by 10 instead of 5, so that the next step is going to be easy. And this is given as 6 into 3, 18 plus 1, 19 by 19 by 6. So what happens is the denominator becomes the numerator. So we will have 9x by 50 plus 10x by 50, and this is 19 upon 6. So we will have 19x by 50 is equal to 19 upon 6. Or if we solve this, we will have this is in hours, so we will multiply it with 60 to get the seconds. not seconds, it's going to be meters. So let's multiply it with 3600. Or shall we convert meter per second into kilometer per hour? We can do that as well. So let's convert, it's easier to convert it into seconds. So 3600 seconds you have in an hour. So 3600 should be multiplied, 3600 gets multiplied. So 19 gets cancelled out, 6 gets cancelled out. So 50 into 60 is 30 followed by, so this was 600, so 30,000 meters. Since x is in kilometers, so 30,000 meters is 30 kilometers. So the value of x is going to be 30. Option B. Okay. Next, a policeman goes after a thief who has 150 meter starts. So the thief is already 150 meters ahead of police. If a policeman runs a kilometer in 12 minutes and a thief runs a kilometer in 16 minutes, the distance covered by the thief before he is overpowered is. So speed of the policeman is given as 1 kilometer in 12 minutes. Right? So we can convert this, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer in 12 minutes. So we can convert this into meter per second, and we can leave it as kilometer per minute, or we can convert it into kilometer per hour. So completely our choice. So if I convert it into kilometer per hour, it's going to be better. So if I divide it by 60, the minutes turns into hours. So I will have 5 kilometer per hour. Speed of the thief accordingly is 1 kilometer in 16 minutes. So if I divide it by 60, so minutes will change to hour. So we'll have 60 by 16, which will become 15 by 4 kilometer per hour, which is almost 4 kilometers per hour. Now, the distance between them is 150 meters, which we can say is 0.15 kilometers. And since they are running along the same direction, so it will be speed of police minus speed of thief, right? Same direction we subtract the speeds. So this is 5 minus 15 upon 4 kilometers per hour. So this will result in 0.15 divided by 20 minus 15 is 5, and 4 goes above. 0.15 into 4 is 0.6. So this becomes 6 by 50 of an hour, right? So kilometer cancels, hour is the only unit left. So this is the time in which thief is about to be caught by the police. So what is the distance covered by thief? So distance covered by thief is going to be speed of the thief into time taken. Speed of the thief is 15 upon 4, and time taken is 6 by 50. So what we can do is we can say 15 into 3, this is 10, this is 2, this is 3. So 9 by 20 of a kilometer. 9 by 20 kilometer is 9 by 20 into 1000 of a meter. So 20 into 50 is 1000. So 9 into 50, that is 450 meters. So convert the given kilometer per minute into kilometer per hour for both the police and thief. Then find out what time they will take in order to, how much time will the police take in order to catch the thief. Once we get the time, for the same time thief was running, so was police. So the distance that the thief is going to cover is going to be thief speeds into time. And had the question been what is the distance covered by police, it would have been speed of police into the time. The time being what we have just calculated, right? Okay. Next, a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream in 3 hours and downstream in 1 hour. How much time will this boat take to cover 60 kilometers in still water? So as per the question, 30 kilometers upstream would mean speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. This is given as 3 hours. And the same 30 kilometers downstream, that is speed of the boat plus speed of the stream, this is given as 1 hour. If we solve this, we'll get SB minus SS is equal to 10. If we solve this, we'll get SB plus SS is equal to 30. If we solve both of these, we'll get SB is equal to 20 and speed of stream is equal to 10, though this is not relevant. Now question asked is 60 kilometers in still water. So the time taken will be distance it has to cover divided by the speed of the boat. in still water. So 60 by 20 will result 3 hours. Right? In the case of upstream and downstream, same direction as that of the stream, the speed of the stream adds to speed of boat. In the opposite direction, also known as upstream, the speed of the stream gets subtracted from speed of the boat. That's why we did this. Okay, next one. A can complete a work in 10 days, B can complete the same work in 15 days. Both A and B started working together, and after 2 days A left the work. In how many days will B complete the remaining work alone? So 10 and 15, let's take the LCM of both of these, and let's assume that this is the total work. Okay. Now, efficiency of A is going to be total work divided by the time he takes, so plus 3 units. Efficiency of B is going to be total work divided by the time it takes, so this is going to be plus 2 units. Now, these 30 units they need to cover, so both A and B started work and they worked for 2 days. After that, A left, so B continued his work, and for how long did he continue? Into D. So you always multiply the efficiency of a person or a group of people with the duration for which they are working. So this is 5 into 2, 10, 20 by 2. So D is going to be 10. So B will complete the remaining work alone in D days, which is 10 days. Option B. Right? And you can write SLAT scholarship test, which is scheduled on 31st of March at 11 a.m. You can avail up to 90% scholarship. In case you guys haven't registered for it, register. The link is given in the description. You can also download our BYJU'S exam prep app for SLAT. The link is given for that in the description as well. And once you download it, you can go to the home page or the dashboard, and you can click on that button which says talk to our counselor, and somebody will get in touch with you. You can also enroll in our SLAT 2025 UG comprehensive course. It includes more than it includes hundreds of hours of live classroom sessions, hundreds of hours of recorded sessions, 55 mock tests, more than 10,000 practice questions, more than 10,000 sectional practice tests, study material, GK compendium. The doubts get resolved in 24 hours, and this is the contact number in case if you have any queries, or you can fill up the CAT counseling form that is pinned in the comment. SLAT 2024 UG test series, you can also avail this, you can buy this. Get in touch with one of our counselors on the given contact number. It includes 25 CLAT mocks, 15 ILET and 15 OLET mocks. Okay, this is recommended by CLAT toppers. You can also check out our social media handles and pages. Thank you everyone. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. Until next session, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Yeah, Naman. I just saw your message. You have to be patient. It's not like that I can see your message directly. Also, that is a very good thing. Tell me. Naman, doesn't look like you have any query at all. You were just here to troll masters. Anyways, take care everyone.